Today I have the honor of introducing to you Dr. Gunkavar Kaur. She has a rank 7 in the June 2020 AIMS exam, top 10 rank in this exam. And if I tell you, the surprising thing is that she had a rank of 21,000 in the NEET PG exam. She worked really hard in the next 5 months, 6 months, and the delay in the exam probably also helped her. And she worked so hard to convert it into a single digit rank. She's a DAMS test and discussion student from Ludhiana Center, and I'm really, really proud of her achievement. So, Gurkaval Kaur, beta, tell us now, how are you feeling today?
Good. I don't know. It's a very wonderful feeling. I never expected a single digit rank in my life.
So now is it now sunk in that you have the ability to get into the top 10 in the best institute in the country?
Yeah, probably.
Yes, you have. I'm telling you, you have. And better tell us, about your test and discussion experience when you were in the TAMS test and discussion course. Tell us that, how were you utilizing the discourse? Were you, analyzing the mistakes that you're doing? What was the quality of questions? Tell us about it.
So the questions were, I was doing a lot of mistakes, but the thing is, after the questions which were wrong, I was on the topics, I was really focused on those topics which I was getting wrong in the MCQs. So after the testing session, I used on the next day, I used to cover all the topics which were wrong, and that was the main strategy, because only the mistakes you do, if you improve them, only then can you do well.
So your goal always was to find out what I'm doing wrong and work on those weaknesses and improve it. And Veda, I also
Yes.
want to know from you that when you had a rank of 21,000, many people would have told you कि भाई तुम्हारा तो नहीं होगा, कैसे करोगे? तो मतलब कैसे अपना माइंडसेट कैसे बनाया कि इतना स्ट्रांग कर दिया कि उसको टॉप 10 में कन्वर्ट कर दिया?
Actually, but because nobody told me that. My family were so supportive. We were at the same level, me and my friends, so there was no much, negative thoughts in my mind ever. And my family, they were like, should prepare for AIMS. So I decided that I'll give it a go just once. So after I didn't think about my previous achievement, whether they were poor or good. I was just focused on the exam that I complete my syllabus and I have to do it.
And I think the key here was that you were not bothered about the results. You were only focused on improving and doing a good exam. And I think, and you did not put too much pressure on your converted into such a great rank. And also tell us about how did you utilize the DAMS question bank for the MCQ practice?
I used to study a topic, then I used to do the dance question bank. After that, the questions I got wrong, then I used to study those topics again. And then I improved upon those topics. That was the main key.
So if I ask you that your strategy was to study, do the question bank, then do the test, attend the discussion, find your mistakes.
I used to study first notes, then I used to do the question bank, then I used to improve on my mistakes. That was the main thing. And revision, after 1 to 2 weeks, I revised that topic, subject again.
Great. And better, did you also appear for the PGI exam? But I think the network is breaking in between. Did you also appear for the
Yes,
PGI exam?
Yes, sir, I paid for it.
How was the experience with the PGI exam?
It was fine. It was good. I thought I did better than names in PGI, but
Let's hope for the best. I think the PGI result is about to be declared. I think once it is declared, it will be, I'm sure you will do well in that exam also. So, better, yeah, if you can come a little outside, I think or maybe little closer to the internet. I think the network is in between breaking. But can you? Yes, thank you. Can you do a? हाँ जी बेटा. Can you do a quick analysis
Hello.
हाँ बेटा, we can hear you now. Better, much better. Can you do a quick analysis on how the paper this year was, the AIMS paper and the PGI paper, and what was the difficulty level? How many questions did you attempt in the AIMS exam?
I attempted 180 questions only. I was more concerned about negative marking, so I did 180 only. In the first go, in the 2 hours, I did around questions. In the 30, which was out, I did that in 1 hour. The questions which I was not able to rule out the options, so I left them. I didn't do that because I was more concerned about negative marking. So, and the paper
You
was
had a guarded
fine.
approach.
It was so.
You had a guarded approach. You wanted to reduce the negatives, so you did 180 attempt in the paper.
Yes, sir.
This is good. And what about the visual questions? And did you use any special strategy to handle the visual questions?
Yeah, I used to study every topic I used to study. I used to saw the images first, like for pathology or and I use Robbins and I used to study text and that was I think that helped.
And beta, how did your PGI exam go? Like, how many did you attempt in the PGI exam?
And I did
But I think we cannot. Let me refresh. I think there is some internet issue that having in the center. Uh, let's see if we can have her back or not. Yes. So, beta, I think now you're back. So let's quickly have a word on the PGI exam very fast.
I did 225 questions. Matlab,
Great.
it was
Great.
also
Great. Great.
and
I think
I
right.
only the options I knew were correct. I marked those only. Others I left. Because in PA also I was concerned about negative marking. I usually get a negative marking a lot if I don't know the topic and I attempt those.
But I think whatever your strategy is, it is working, and it is working so good that you could get a rank, 7 in this exam, which is such a great rank. So I think your core concepts are good, and your way of analyzing your mistakes is very good. I think you have the control over your subjects. That is why you have been able to get such a great rank. And I think the right now the at your hometown, I think the internet is not so good right now. So the network is breaking again and again. So what we'll do is we'll quickly have a word with your mother if she's around. So at least we can congratulate her on your exemplary performance.
I'll call. Mama, she's not available right now. Sorry,
No
just went
problems.
outside.
No problems. I think, but do let her know that I personally wanted to congratulate her because I think parents play a equally big role in the child's success, and I think you have done very very well by getting this score, and you have worked very hard. The entire DAMS team, DAMS Sky team, the Satellite Center team, and the Ludhiana team, they all want me to personally congratulate you on this rank. Heartiest congratulations. God bless you. Can you quickly give a message for future aspirants? Any advice, any message that you want to give to future aspirants?
Don't let the pressure get to you. Just think about doing it. Don't think about the results.
And I think that has been the key for Gurkavar Kaur. She never thought about the result. She was not thinking about aims. She was only thinking about working on her mistakes, improving, and here she is with a rank 7 in the aims exam. She's a DAMS test and discussion course student in the DAMS Ludhiana Center, in the DAMS Sky Center, and the entire team is very proud of your achievement. And I'm sure there will be another interview that we will do with her with better internet and a PGI rank also. I'm sure. Anything you want to finally say before we go forward with it. Anything you want to say, beta?
Just do well.
And please tell us a little bit more about what else do you do other than studies? How do you remain motivated all the time? How do you manage the balance in life? Do tell us a little bit about that also. But I think the audio has again gone.
Hello.
Can you say now? Can you say now again? Yeah, now it's coming.
Hello.
Can you say the final message for the students or future aspirants? Can you give that mindset and the thing that you were telling about? How do you maintain your cool and mindset? Can you repeat it once more?
I really
I think we could not get the final message. I think the internet is not working properly at your place right now, so that's okay. So all said and done, I'll give the concluding remarks here that Dr. Gurkavar Kaur is a bright young lady. She worked hard. She had a rank 20,000 plus in the NEET exam, but she worked hard. She joined the test and discussion, analyzed her mistakes, and she never thought about the results, focused on the process, and here she is with a rank 7. And there is an internet issue at her place. In between we are able to connect to her, in between we are unable to. But I want to tell her here, and maybe she will see this video later on as well, that she's done really well. Entire DAMS team is proud of her achievement. I want to congratulate her parents. I want to wish her the best. Better do best, do well. I'm sure you will rise and shine in life. Congratulations once more.
Thank you, sir.
I wish you all the best, beta. I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.